Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Lifestyle, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Rose.
And I'm Sam. If you want to stop freezing and start speaking real-life English, hit that like and subscribe
Hey
button
everyone,
right now.
welcome back to English Lifestyle, your daily English practice. I'm Rose.
And I'm Sam. We're so happy you're here with us today. If you're new, subscribe so you don't miss our daily episodes.
So Sam, how was your weekend?
It was good. Lily and I went grocery shopping on Sunday.
Oh, nice. Where did you go?
New seasons, and something weird happened.
Weird. How?
So Lily said, "Do we need some eggs?"
Okay.
And I said, "Do we have any milk?"
Normal so far.
And then Lily said, "Would you like some coffee when we get home?"
Still normal.
And I'm standing there in the dairy aisle thinking, why did she say some eggs, but I said any milk? They're both questions. You notice that my brain just froze right there between the yogurt and the cheese. I felt this tightness in my forehead like when you're trying to solve a math problem.
A grocery store grammar crisis.
Exactly. And then I started paying attention and I realized native speakers switch between some and any constantly. And I have no idea what the rule is.
Well, there is a rule, but there are also exceptions. And the exceptions are actually more interesting.
That sounds scary.
Don't worry, it's actually simpler than you think. Promise.
Promise.
And that's exactly what we're talking about today. Some versus any.
Some versus any. The rule, the exceptions, and why Lily used some in a question. Finally, this has been bugging me since Sunday. Let's start with the basic rule, the one everyone learns in textbooks.
Hit me.
Some is for positive sentences. Any is for negative sentences and questions.
So I have some friends, but I don't have any friends.
Exactly. Positive, some, negative, any. There are some cookies on the table.
Great. Positive sentence. Cookies exist. I bought them.
There aren't any cookies on the table.
Negative. No cookies. Sad.
Very sad, especially for me. I love cookies.
I know you do. And for questions, are there any cookies?
Any for questions. I ask because I don't know if cookies exist.
Right. Let's do a few more to lock in the basic rule.
Okay, I bought some groceries. Positive, groceries exist. I bought them.
She doesn't have any experience. Negative. Zero experience.
Do you have any questions? Question. I genuinely don't know if you have questions.
I need some help with this. Positive. Help is needed. It's a real thing.
He didn't give me any information. Negative. No information at all.
Perfect. You've got the basic rule. Now, I think of it like a traffic light.
A traffic light?
Green light is positive. Use some. Red light is negative. Use any. Yellow light, questions. Usually any.
Oh, I like that. Green, red, yellow. Easy. But here's where it gets interesting. The exceptions.
The exceptions. And this is what makes you sound like a native speaker.
My ears are wide open.
Exception number 1. Use some in questions when you're offering something.
Offering. Would you like some coffee?
Oh, that's what Lily said. Exactly. She was offering you coffee. She expected you to say yes. So when you offer something, you use some because you expect a positive answer.
Perfect. You're not really asking, do you want coffee or not? You're saying, here, I have coffee. Want some?
Would you like some water?
Great. You're being polite, offering water. Can I get you some tea?
Perfect. So if a barista says, would you like some sugar in that? She's offering, not really questioning.
Exactly. She's assuming you might want it. But if she says, do you want any sugar? That's more neutral.
Right. Any is a genuine question. She has no expectation either way.
My shoulders just dropped. That explains so much. The feeling behind the word matters more than the grammar rule.
The feeling, I like that. Exception number 2. Use some in questions when you're requesting something.
Requesting. Can I have some water, please?
Oh, you're asking for something specific. You expect to receive it, right?
Could I borrow some money?
You're requesting, not just asking a random question.
Can I get some help over here? You need help. You expect someone to come.
Exactly. Requests use some because you believe the answer will be yes. So offers and requests both use some in questions because you expect a positive outcome.
That's the key. If you expect yes, use some. If you genuinely don't know, use any. This is like a secret code that nobody teaches you.
Kind of. And once you know it, you start hearing it everywhere.
That's what happened at the grocery store. Once I noticed it, I couldn't stop.
That's how language learning works. You notice, then you understand, Then you use it naturally, like a switch turning on in your brain.
Exactly. Okay, so let me test this at a restaurant.
Go for it.
Could I have some more bread, please? That's a request. I expect bread.
Perfect.
Is there any bread left? That's a real question. I don't know if there's bread.
Excellent. Feel the difference?
I do. The first one is confident. The second one is uncertain.
That's exactly it. What's exception number 3? This is my favorite. Any can mean it doesn't matter which one.
Wait, what? You can sit in any chair.
Oh, it doesn't matter which chair. Pick one. Anyone.
Exactly. Any chair means every or whichever you want. Call me anytime.
Right. It doesn't matter what time. All times are okay.
Any restaurant is fine with me. You don't care which one. All options are good. So any in a positive sentence means no restrictions.
Perfect way to say it. You can ask me anything. No restrictions on what you ask.
Great. Anyone can learn English. No restrictions on who.
Beautiful. And this is actually very common in positive sentences. Really think about it. I'll eat anything. I can go anywhere. Any day works for me. All positive and all meaning no restrictions, right?
If you're listening and thinking, wait, I thought any was only for negatives in questions, you're not alone. Many learners think that. But this no restrictions meaning is huge. It changes everything.
It does. When someone says, I'm happy with anything, they're being flexible, open, easygoing.
That's me when Lily asks where I want to eat. Anywhere is fine.
Classic. But I mean it. I really don't care. All restaurants are good restaurants.
That's the spirit. This is actually fun. My brain is tingling in a good way.
Grammar tingles, the best kind of tingles. Now let's talk about the compound words. Some and any combine with other words, like someone, something, somewhere.
Exactly. Same rules apply. So I saw someone at the door. Positive.
Perfect. I didn't see anyone at the door. Negative.
Great. Did you see anyone? Genuine question, right?
Would you like something to drink? Offer. You expect me to say yes.
And the answer is always yes.
Of course it is. What about, is there anything I can do to help? That's a genuine question. You don't know if help is needed.
But I brought you something is positive, right? You have a gift. It exists.
And anyone can do it means no restrictions. Everybody can.
Perfect. You've got all the combinations. So let me make sure I understand all the rules so far.
Go for it. Summarize.
Rule 1. Some for positive sentences. Things exist. Check. Rule 2. Any for negative sentences. Nothing exists. Check. Rule 3. Any for genuine questions. You don't know the answer. Check. Rule 4. Some in questions for offers and requests. You expect a yes. Check. Rule 5. Any in positive sentences, meaning no restrictions. 5 rules, and that covers pretty much everything. That's actually not that bad. 5 rules for 2 words. And most of the time, rules 1, 2, and 3 are all you need. The exceptions just make you sound more natural, like going from good English to great English.
Exactly. Quick question for our listeners. When was the last time you used some or any in English? Think about it.
Good one. Now, let's do some real-life scenarios.
I love these. Scene 1. You're at a coffee shop, my favorite place. The barista says, "Would you like some milk in your coffee?" She's offering some. She expects I might say yes. You say, "Do you have any oat milk today?" I'm genuinely asking. I don't know if they have it. Any. She says, "Sorry, we don't have any oat milk today." Negative. No oat milk. Any. You say, "That's fine. Can I have some regular milk then?" Request. I expect to get it. Some.
Perfect. 4 sentences, 4 correct choices. It flows so naturally when you see it in context. Scene 2. You're at work.
My home office counts, right?
Absolutely. Your client emails you. Oh no. What does she want now? She writes, I have some feedback on the design. Positive, feedback exists. Some. My stomach just dropped. She also writes, do you have any time this week for a call? Genuine question. She doesn't know my schedule. Any. You reply, I don't have any time on Monday, but I have some availability on Wednesday. Negative for Monday, no time. Positive for Wednesday, time exists. And you add, feel free to call anytime after 2 p.m. No restrictions. Anytime works after 2.
Brilliant. See how it all connects? It's like breathing. Once you feel it, you stop thinking about it.
That's the goal. One more scene. Let's do it. Scene 3. You're with Jake on a Saturday.
Sounds about right.
Jake says, I know some great restaurants near here.
Positive, he knows specific restaurants. Some. You say, I don't have any preference, you pick. Negative, no preference exists. 0 opinions for me. Jake says, do you have any cash? I forgot my wallet. Genuine question, he doesn't know if I have cash. You say, yeah, I have some, don't worry. Positive, cash exists. I've got them covered. Jake says, thanks, man, I'll pay you back sometime. Sometime meaning at an unspecified point in the future. And you're thinking, he's never paying me back. That's what I'm thinking. Classic Jake. But I love the guy. He can borrow any amount from me. Any amount, no restrictions. See, I'm using it naturally now.
You really are. And did you notice something?
What?
In those 3 scenes, you didn't even hesitate. You felt the answer before you thought about it.
You're right. It wasn't like doing math. It was more like instinct. That's when you know you've really learned something. When it becomes instinct, like riding a bike. You stop thinking about balancing and you just ride.
Perfect analogy. Common mistakes time. Let's catch some errors.
Show me the bad stuff.
Wrong. I don't have some money. Should be, I don't have any money. Negative sentence needs any.
Perfect. Wrong. Would you like any coffee?
That's not wrong exactly, but it should be, would you like some coffee? Because you're offering.
Exactly. Any is technically grammatical, but some sounds more natural for an offer. It sounds warmer, more inviting.
Great observation. The feeling matters. Wrong. Some student can join the club. Should be, any student can join the club because it means no restrictions. All students welcome.
Perfect. Wrong. Is there something wrong?
Wait, is that wrong? Actually, that sounds right to me.
It is right. This is a trick. Is there something wrong is correct because the speaker suspects there is something wrong. They expect a yes. So it's like a soft offer or assumption, not a genuine open question.
Exactly. If you truly had no idea, you'd say, is there anything wrong? More neutral. Subtle, but powerful. You're really getting this. Wrong. Can someone help me?
Wait, also a trick. Stop testing me. But that's correct too. You're requesting help. You expect someone to come.
10 out of 10. I'm learning to spot your traps.
Good. That means your instincts are working. Quiz time.
I'm ready. My brain is fired up.
Let's start easy and build up. There are blank apples in the fridge.
Some. Positive. Apples exist.
I don't have blank cash on me.
Any. Negative. No cash.
Would you like blank help with that?
Some. It's an offer. You expect a yes.
Great. Getting harder now. Blank seat is fine. I don't mind.
Any. No restrictions. All seats work.
Did blank call while I was out?
Anyone. Genuine question. I don't know.
I bought blank for your birthday.
Something. Positive. A gift exists, but I'm not telling you what. Mysterious.
Okay, tricky ones now. She didn't say blank.
Anything. Negative. She was silent.
Can I borrow blank sugar?
Some. Request. I expect to get it.
You can park blank on this street.
Anywhere. No restrictions. All spots are okay.
There must be blank mistake.
Some. Because you believe a mistake exists. Positive.
Perfect. That's a subtle one. I didn't see blank I liked at the store.
Anything. Negative. Nothing appealed to me.
Would you like blank more time to decide?
Some. An offer. You are being polite.
Blank is possible if you believe.
Anything. No restrictions on what's possible.
13 out of 13. Perfect score. I'm on a streak. Nobody can stop me.
You really are. Something just clicked, didn't it?
Yeah, my whole body feels lighter. Like I was carrying a bag of grammar books and I just put them down.
That's the best metaphor yet. You know what's crazy? This used to give me so much stress. I'd be writing an email to a client and I'd stop at every some and any and second guess myself. And now I just feel it. The offer, the request, the negative, the no restrictions, it all makes sense.
That's the power of understanding the feeling behind the grammar. Rules are useful, but feelings are faster.
Feelings are faster. I love that. Can I steal it?
It's yours. Vocabulary review time. Let's lock it in. Some phrases, some in positive sentences.
Some. Things exist. Green light. I have some ideas. Ideas exist. Positive.
Some in offers.
Some. Would you like some coffee? Expecting yes.
Some in requests.
Some. Can I have some water? Expecting to get it.
Someone.
Someone. A person exists or is expected.
Something.
Something. A thing exists or is expected. I need to tell you something. A thing exists. Positive.
Somewhere.
Somewhere. A place exists or is expected. Let's go somewhere fun this weekend. A fun place exists in your mind. Positive.
Now any phrases, any in negatives.
Any. Nothing exists. Red light. I don't have any time. 0 time. Negative.
I didn't hear anything. 0 sounds. Nothing.
Any in questions?
Any. Genuine question. I don't know. Yellow light. Is there any chance you can help? Real question. Not sure if you can.
Any meaning no restrictions.
Any. It doesn't matter which. All options. Okay, pick any color you want. No restrictions. All colors work.
Anyone.
Anyone. No restrictions on who.
Anything.
Anything. No restrictions on what.
Anywhere.
Anywhere. No restrictions on where.
Anytime.
Anytime. No restrictions on when.
And that's the complete picture. Green light some, red light any, yellow light usually any, but some for offers and requests, and any in positive sentences means no restrictions. 4 rules.
That's it. 4 rules cover everything. It really is that simple once you see the pattern.
I feel like I just cleaned my glasses. Everything is sharp and clear now.
Love that image. Okay, question for our listeners. Let's hear it. Which one surprised you more? Some in questions or any meaning no restrictions? Or maybe the trick questions got you? Tell us in the comments. We read every single one.
Every single one. If you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button. We post new episodes every day.
Every day. Share this with a friend who confuses some and any. Remember the traffic light. Some is the green light. Go. Things exist. Any is the red light and negatives. Stop. Nothing here. And any is no restrictions in positives. All doors open. Keep listening, keep learning. Small steps every day.
Hey, Rose, can I have some cookies now?
I don't think we have any left, Sam.
That is a tragedy. I need to go get some immediately.
See you tomorrow. Bye, everyone.